Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to make a program that can print alphabets, letters from A to Z. So for that, we are going to mount C drive into DOS box and open C, edit A to Z dot ASM. So here you can write your code. Model small stack 100H. I want your practice, so that's why I am going to write this code again and again. So here data section string db, so end of the string letters from A to Z, and after that we are going to write code. In code, here move AX data into AX and then move AX into DS, and after that we can close the program 04ch interrupt 21h and end of the program. So first of all, display the message on the screen, and which is move edge 09h interrupt 21h, but first of all offset to take address of the printing statement. So for this dx offset string 1, so here also the right name string 1, and after that A to Z loop, so call A to Z loop. First of all here loop variable, and so move CX 26, because we are going to print 26 variables on the screen, so that's why we are going to move 26 into CX register. So what is the value of dx? So the value of dx is equal to the starting point of small a or capital A in Ascci table. So capital A is starting from 65 and small a starting from 97. So I want to display capital A, so that's why I am going to initialize this from 65, and here we are going to move AH0 2H and interrupt 21H. So after that change the value of dx, add move, so add dx1. So I think our program is completed successfully, and we are going to display capital letters on the screen. So MASM A to Z dot ASM and obj file. So for obj file, link obj file with libraries A to Z and dot obj, link obj file, and after that a to z dot xz. So here are the letters from a to z. So now if suppose I want to display letters from capital to small letters, so then start from 97, because the value of small a is starting from 97 in decimal, and the ending point is here z is equal to 122. So for that's why we are going to start from here, and now you can write from a to z and exit, save, MASM, link, and now execute the exe file and starting from a to z in small letters. So if you want to display the Ascii table, so what will be happen? So for example, you want to display all the characters, so 255. So for this, the value of CX register is 255 starting from 0, and by using this you can display the table, Ascii table, on the screen. And now compile, link, and here is the result. So Ascii table is printed here. So like you can see the values from capital A to capital Z, and the values from small a to small z, and the numbers from 0 to 9 are here, and the other symbols like greater than, equal to, and the bracket sign, plus, minus. So thank you for watching this video.